So now observe fourth problem. B1, B2, B3 are consecutive terms in GP. Consecutive means continued terms. B1, B2, B3 are consecutive terms in GP, and given R is the common ratio. And one more condition is given. B3 is greater than of 4B2 minus 3B1. B3 is greater than of 4B2 minus 3B1. Okay, like this condition also is there. So here these three terms are consecutive terms. So that's why let B1 is equal to A, B2 is equal to AR, B3 is equal to AR square. Taken as like this. Now apply these three terms are, these values are substituted here. B3 AR square is greater than of 4 into B2 AR minus 3 into B1 A. So AR square is greater than, by taking common A, 4R minus 3. So A get cancelled, R square, these two terms are transposed this side, minus 4R plus 3 is greater than 0. Now this is a quadratic inequation, so this is resolved into factors. R square minus 3R minus R plus 3 is greater than 0. So first two terms by taking common R minus 3, here minus 1 is common, R minus 3 is greater than 0. So R minus 3 into R minus 1 is greater than 0. What is the solution of this one? Apply Weviger method. So R is greater than 3 and R is less than 1. So R is belongs to minus infinity comma 1 union 3 comma plus infinity. So we get like this solution. Here 1, here 3, this is plus, start from here like this, here plus quantity. Greater than 0 means taken as upwards. Okay, so R belongs to minus infinity comma 1 union 3 comma plus infinity. Okay, so what is the options? What are the options? R greater than 3, yes, this is correct one. So R values are more than 3 and R values are less than 1, this is also correct one. R is equal to 3.5, 3.5 means more than 3. Okay, this is also correct. R is equal to 5. So both 4 options are correct. First, second, third, fourth, all R options are correct only. Okay. So next problem, observe next problem, fifth one. If the first and 2n plus 1 term of AP, GP and HP of positive terms are equal, and their n plus 1th terms are A, B, C respectively, then given some conditions. Okay, first term and 2n plus 1th term of AP, GP, HP of positive terms are equal. And first term of AP, GP, HP are equal and 2n plus 1th term of AP, GP, HP also equal. Okay, so let, we don't know first term, so that's why let first term taken as x. Okay, and 2n plus 1th term and 2n plus 1th term taken as y. Okay, so now if you taken as this is in AP, what is the formula 2n plus 1th term? A plus 2n into d is equal to here y is there. Okay, A plus n minus 1 into d. N means here 2n plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. A plus 2n d is equal to y. D is common difference. A means first term x plus 2n d is equal to y. So 2n d is equal to y minus x. So d is equal to y minus x by 2n. So we get d value. Okay. Now in AP, n plus 1 term asking. N plus 1 term is given A. Okay. In AP, Tn plus 1 term, that is equal to given A. Okay. So what is the Tn plus 1? A plus Nd is equal to A. A plus Nd. This is formula. N plus 1. A plus n plus 1 minus 1 into d. So we get A plus Nd. What is A? A means first term. So x plus n into what is d? Y minus x by 2n, that is equal to A. So n get cancelled. So we get clearly LCM is 2x plus y minus x is equal to a. So clearly x plus y by 2 is equal to a. A is equal to x plus y by 2. We get a. A is equal to x plus y by 2. If you take an as a GP relation, if you take an as GP relation, GP, okay, what is in GP? 2n plus 1th term, a r to the power of 2n. A r to the power of 2n is equal to y. So a means first term x. X into r to the power of 2n is equal to y. So r to the power of 2n is equal to y by x. So that implies r is equal to y by x to the power of 1 by 2 power n. So 2 power n transpose this side, y by x to the power of 1 by 2 power n. So this is r value, and given in GP Tn plus 1 term is that is equal to b given. So what is the formula? This one, a r to the power of n is equal to b. What is a? A is first term, x into r. What is r value? Y by x to the power of 1 by 2n whole to the power of n. This n is equal to b. So here n cancel, x into y to the power of 1 by 2 by x to the power of 1 by 2. That is equal to b. So x to the power of 1 by x to the power of 1 by 2 means x to the power of 1 by 2 into y to the power of 1 by 2. That is equal to b. So clearly b is equal to square root of xy. So b is equal to square root of xy. A is equal to, we get a is equal to x plus y by 2. A is equal to x plus y by 2. B is equal to square root of xy. So if you take an as HP, so yeah, in HP, so 1 by a plus 2nd, that is equal to y. So a plus 2nd is equal to 1 by y. So in HP, generally in AP first term is x, GP is first term also x, but in a harmonic progression it becomes 1 by x. Okay, so 1 by x plus 2nd is equal to 1 by y. So 2nd is equal to 1 by y minus 1 by x. So 2nd is equal to xy, x minus y. So d is equal to x minus y by 2n into xy. So this is a d value. In AP first term is x, in HP first term is 1 by x. So that's why in place of a taken as 1 by x. Okay. So this is why here reciprocal 1 by y. 1 by x plus 2n is equal to 1 by y. 2n is equal to, we get d value, d is equal to x minus y by 2n into xy. Okay. So here given Tn plus 1th term is c given. Okay. So 1 by a plus nd is equal to c. So a plus nd is equal to 1 by c. What is a? A means first term 1 by x plus n into what is d value? X minus y by 2n xy is equal to 1 by c. So n get cancelled. So 1 by x plus x minus y by 2xy is equal to 1 by c. So LCM is 2xy. So 2y plus x minus y is equal to 1 by c. So clearly c is 1 by c is equal to x plus y by 2xy. So c is equal to 2xy by x plus y. C is equal to 2xy by x plus y. So a is equal to x plus y by 2, b is equal to square root of xy, c is equal to 2xy by x plus y. Mean arithmetic mean of xy is x plus y by 2. Geometric mean of x and y is square root of xy, and harmonic mean of x and y is 2xy by x plus y. So what is the relation between a comma b comma c? A is arithmetic mean, B is geometric mean, C is harmonic mean. Then what is the relation? A greater than or equal to B greater than or equal to C. This is one relation. A greater than or equal to B greater than or equal to C. And B square is equal to AC. This is another relation. B square is equal to AC. If B square is equal to AC means A comma B comma C are in GB. So apply these properties. A greater than or equal to B greater than or equal to C, and B square is equal to AC, and A comma B comma C are in G.